It's misty. From start to finish, I don't think I need to explain this title more. Basically, we are going to concentrate on 3 images. You're going to see me capture them, edit them, retouch them. I'm not going to talk much in this one because maybe you can hear it, but I'm sick. So without further ado, let's dive into this. So let's talk about the gear, the AD300pro overhead. Why this flash? Because it is light, small, and easy to manipulate. Attached to it is the Beauty Box 65, and that is it. And you can see on the floor there, I'm using the Aperture Light Dome 2 with the AD600pro at a very low setting because I'm using it as a fill light. And behind Clara, my amazing model, I have 2 Nanlite Pavotube 30C LED lights, because why not? I am, of course, shooting with the GFX 100S and only one lens, the GF50 mil. You will see that I'm using an old technique here to overcome and to compensate the lack of control that I have on my smoke. By taking multiple shots of the smoke at different stages, I can then sample some of the smoke from different images and add them to my final creation, my final composition with the help of Photoshop. I'm just using different layers, masking, and some custom brushes. Concerning my color grading process, I believe that I made in the past 2 other videos where I cover this, where I talk a little bit more about my process and the different steps and techniques that I use. So if you need to go beyond these speed edits that you were about to see, I advise you to go and watch these 2 videos because my technique, my workflow hasn't changed much over the years. So that's it for me, folks. I really hope that you enjoyed this one, because I've received a few requests for a video like this. So if you enjoyed it, tell me in the comments below, and tell me if you wish to see more content like this in the future. And now I'm super tired, so I'm going straight to bed. I guess I will catch you in the next one. I really hope that I will feel better for my next video. But until then, take care, and please have a good one.